Welcome to the beautiful islands of Hawaii, a place of stunning landscapes, rich culture, and endless opportunities. Today, we'll explore why starting a limited liability company, or LLC, in Hawaii is a smart business move. We'll also guide you through the process of obtaining an employer identification number, or EIN, essential for your LLC's success. So grab a pen and paper as we embark on this exciting journey. An LLC provides many advantages to entrepreneurs looking to establish a business in Hawaii. Firstly, an LLC offers limited liability protection, meaning that your personal assets are separate from your business liabilities. This shield safeguards your personal savings, home, and other assets in case your business faces legal troubles or debt. Secondly, forming an LLC in Hawaii presents a sense of professionalism and credibility. It instills trust in your customers, partners, and vendors, making it easier to attract clients and establish mutually beneficial relationships. Thirdly, the flexibility and ease of managing an LLC make it an attractive option for entrepreneurs. Compared to other business structures, such as corporations, LLCs have fewer formalities and paperwork, allowing you to focus more on your business operations. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN in Hawaii. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step is to choose a unique name for your LLC. Ensure the name complies with Hawaii's naming requirements, which generally include the words Limited Liability Company or the abbreviation LLC. You can check the availability of your desired name through the Hawaii Department of Commerce and Consumer Affairs (DCCA) website. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Every LLC in Hawaii must have a registered agent, which is an individual or business entity responsible for receiving legal and official documents on behalf of the company. The registered agent must have a physical address in Hawaii and be available during business hours. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. The next step is filing the Articles of Organization with the Hawaii DCCA. This document contains essential information about your LLC, such as its name, registered agent, members or managers, and purpose. You can file online or submit a paper form by mail. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not mandatory in Hawaii, it is highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This internal document outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, decision-making processes, and other key provisions. Having an operating agreement helps clarify roles and responsibilities, mitigates disputes, and provides a solid foundation for your LLC's success. Step 5. Obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number. Now that your LLC is formed, it's time to obtain an EIN, which is necessary for various administrative and tax purposes. You can obtain an EIN from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, either online, by mail, or by fax. The EIN is used to identify your LLC for tax filings, hiring employees, opening business bank accounts, and more. Step 6. Comply with additional requirements. Depending on your business activities, you may need to fulfill additional requirements in Hawaii. For example, if you plan to hire employees, you must register for unemployment insurance tax and workers' compensation insurance. It's important to research and comply with all applicable federal, state, and local regulations to ensure your LLC operates legally and smoothly. Step 7. Obtain business licenses and permits. Certain businesses in Hawaii require specific licenses and permits to operate legally. The requirements vary depending on the industry and location of your LLC. To determine the necessary licenses and permits, you can consult the Hawaii Business Express website, which provides comprehensive information and resources. Step 8. Maintain compliance and fulfill ongoing obligations. Congratulations! You've successfully started your LLC in Hawaii. However, it's important to remember that maintaining compliance is crucial for the continued success of your business. This includes filing annual reports with the Hawaii DCCA, paying any required state taxes, and keeping accurate records of your business transactions. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.